I mean, it's not bad, is it? Compared to riding 360. I should have had my camera on the first day I came through here. I was on the 848, just tooling along. It was a fun day. Three Ducatis coming through here. I imagine the neighbors had to have been wondering what the noise was. I could only imagine how annoyed the neighbors would be at the group of Harleys coming through here. That guy behind me has got to be smiling. If you're not from here and you're just visiting on vacation and you just have the regular roads mapped out, I mean, what better than having a local wave you along and showing you a paved road, brand new pavement, brand new asphalt, not even striped yet. Alright, so this is Belltown, and we're back on what would be 360. So this, if you're going the other direction on this road, it takes you to Madisonville. It drops you off at the red light where the Crystal Burger is. Even this road needs some fresh pavement. I'm not sure why Tennessee doesn't take care of the main roads. There's so many roads in Tennessee that really need good pavement. Alright, we're back on 360, and I will chat at you in another video. Thanks for watching.